Dan, I'm not a real estate coach. Not a real estate coach. If you pay me to coach you, you're gonna have to put up with some shit. Because that's why I'm not a real estate coach. I'm currently looking for a Sonic because I'm thirsty. Whataburger will have to do. Whataburger will have to do. I really wanted to pull up at a Sonic. But, oh, no, I found one. New Sonic. So, check this out. I got a small team of guys, hard workers, very good. A lot of new in the group. See, and I remember what it was like when you were new. When you're new, you had to coddle shit. You know what I mean? It's like when you don't have no experience at the bar. You ain't never gone to a bar, hit on a woman and try to bring her home. You don't know how to do it, so you're over here. You're making promises you don't intend to keep. You're lying to her. You're telling her you love her. You're telling her she's pretty. You're complimenting her every day. You don't mean none of that shit. You're not gonna back any of that up. You're just trying to hit it. But you're acting like you're gonna marry this chick. You're rubbing on her butt, doing this, saying sweet nothings, but you don't mean none of it. You wanna know why? You wanna know why you can't just come out and say what you want to do? It's because your pipeline's empty. It's because you gotta coddle that lead. You gotta coddle it like it's the last thing on earth. Like it's the last woman on earth. Like it's the last time you're ever gonna talk to a woman of the opposite sex. A lot of you married people, y'all done forgot about this. Y'all don't know nothing about it. But I mean, you ain't retiring on any of these deals. Any of these real estate deals you're doing right now, you ain't retiring on. You know what I mean? When you're single and you're out just trying to mingle, you ain't getting married anytime soon. So you ain't got to act like you're getting married anytime soon. And it's the same way in real estate. It's the same way when you're looking at houses. It's the exact same way, okay? If you're not going to retire on that deal, quit coddling it. Quit lying to it. Quit telling them shit you don't mean, okay? They want 100% value for what their shit's worth. You need to go hire a real estate agent and get you 100% value for what your shit's worth. That's what the fuck you need to go do, okay? If she wants you to marry her, you don't need to lie to her and say you're going to marry her. You need to go and you need to tell her, you need to go down to the place where men are wanting to get married and find you one of them men. Because I'm just here to do one thing and one thing only. And if you need that, that's what I provide. That's the service I am offering right now. Just rip that fucking Band-Aid off right then. Just go. I want full retail for my house. I want full retail. Well, fuck you. I'll give you half of what it's worth right now. Cash money, down and dirty, rough and ugly, pull your hair, bite your titty, whatever you want, kind of shit. That's what I'm offering. That's it. That's all I got. If you want that other shit, you need to go where they got that other shit, okay? I ain't got to think about it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Them other guys, they gonna lie to you. I'm just gonna tell you straight up, right now, this is what the fuck's gonna happen. If you do that, you might just surprise yourself. That might be exactly what the fuck she's looking for. That might be exactly what the fuck your seller needs. Right then. 50%. What they want. On the spot. Do it. Don't worry about it. There's another lead down the road. If they say, no, I'm cool, whatever, kick it to your real estate agent. It's so silly. It's so silly that you do all this and then you don't make your offer because you got to formulate a lie to tell. Like, what lie am I going to tell? You got a number in your head. You got an idea in your head about what you want. And I've got to break that reality for you. I've got to set the expectations. You're trying to put me in the friend zone and I ain't going in there. So I got to set that expectation right then. Just boom. Here it is. That's what I got. You don't want it? Fuck off. Not like that, you know, whatever. Just hit me back. Hit me back a little bit later if you decide that's what you want. If I can be of some service to you, hit me back later. But this is all I got. And this is why this is all I got. I've been hurt before. That's it. Try it. You might learn something.